We found them on the bottom shelf. Chocolate chips. What? Did something happen here I should know about? It's a clue, isn't it? Okay, just wait. I'll be right there. Okay, where is that clue? Oh! No, Ah! Huh? Where? Oh, what? I, I can't find it. Do you see it? Oh yeah, it's right there. You know.
I'd like to be able to find a clue once, just once, like you.
Oh well, maybe next time. Hey, you know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. You know what? I left it over here. Wait, right here. I'll be right back.
Steve? 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 Why'd Steve leave? I know he'd like my tricks. If I could only show him.
Okay, so what is this clue? A knob. Right.